Livingston is a small town in southern Montana. With a population of less than 8,000 people, this quaint rural place is the definition of small town America. And every year the town gathers for the 4th of July to watch the Livingston Parade and participate in 3 days of one of the world's finest rodeos, the Livingston Roundup. This year, Fishcamp Custom built a unique float that was sure to catch the eye of the audience.
Howdy folks, Jody Marler with Fishcamp Custom, and today we are just getting our float ready for the 2019 Livingston Roundup and 4th of July Parade. Everybody's kind of getting their stuff together, their floats together. This is our entry this year. We designed this, and for the last few weeks, you know, in between projects, we've been kind of hitting this thing, and it just turned out awesome. So I hope you guys enjoy the parade.
Yeah, probably 20.
What keeps you coming back?
Oh, just the different,
Just fun to see
see who they got and what they got out there, and different horses and stuff.
It's a 1929 all steel original Ford pickup with a 1964 Buick nailhead motor in it, and like I said, it's all.
This is our first time.
Well, we've been here in Livingston for 15 years now. Yeah. I kind of hit and miss every other year with my work schedule.
As the clock ticked on, the excitement in the crowd grew larger, for the Livingston Parade was about to start.
Just wrapping up the parade, and it was pretty brutal out there, but people of Livingston definitely toughed it out. We saw a few people that you'll see on the GoPros fleeing when the hail started coming, but all in all, it was super cool, super cool. Everything held together, and you know, we had the best float for throwing candy, so it's pretty cool, pretty cool. Great town. See you again next year. Well, folks, we just found out we are Gold Award winners. So we can put that on our list of accolades along with award-winning home builders. I want to thank everybody who came out to the parade. It was awesome to see everybody that endured that weather. But tonight, it's rodeo time.
The #1 buckaroo in the Canadian Professional Rodeo Association.